Yo, top of the morning, family. Bro, why does this look different? Am I am I limited? All right. Yo, I think we're live. Let me double check. Says we're live. It looks different from now how it normally does. Hmm. Let me just how do I let's let's check that out real quick. It looks different. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we are. Okay, cool. All right, so let's peep the chart, see what's going on. Honestly, not expecting too much today. I would like to see Robinhood rise up. Love to see it at like. I feel like I set an alert somewhere in this area yesterday, but I don't really see it. But yeah, love to see Robinhood rise up, come above that resistance, something like that. That would be good. I'm liking how it's starting the morning. Um, I think the Russell is potentially good to move up too. See it like open up at like 260. I think they're coming for that. I think that might be a good like kind of like slow riser on the day. Looking at here, let's hop in the. We got the Dixie. We're up on the day. VIX still kind of up on that. Duh. Bro, what just bro? Am I still live? Oh yeah. This new system's kind of throwing me off a little bit. I might have to watch on the side. Oh, hold up. I think I forgot to do something. Can I change the settings? What? Oh, there we go. I didn't even realize it wasn't public. Hey, that's why we come on and came on a little early. I don't know if that's gonna go out or not. Let me see. Let's see. NVIDIA will host a power summit next week, signaling that electricity is now a core AI constraint and putting power chain benefit fisheries in focus. Okay. Let's see. Let's see who can benefit. Hey, my life be like top of the morning, top of the morning. Hey, in honor of you hopping on the stream, we gotta check out SoFi real quick, see what's up with SoFi, just to start the morning. All right, doesn't look like anything's up with SoFi, but still optimistic for the day. Yeah, let's get it. All right, so they will be doing the quantitative easing or they will start injecting money into bonds today. So we may or may not kind of see some of that start to play out. Might be some money we start seeing kind of start showing up. I'm gonna go back through the list up here. Superwoman, 10,000, top of the morning. Hope all is well. All right, let's see. All right, getting back to the list. All right, so on the morning, we got gold up. So I'm personally like, I don't know how today's going. I don't know how the day's going. I would think we start moving up. Today, I would think today is the beginning of that, but also, you see money going into gold. You got silver up as well. Silver's at all-time highs right now. Hey, what's up, Romero? Mr. Shady 4268. What's up? Hope all is well. I will say snow has not played out for me. I guess I stayed in a little too long. It didn't happen this past week, but I'm still in it at the moment. Let's see. Yeah, so we're up on those. Hopefully, I would hope those come down today. Bitcoin, yo, looks like this trend line I had going down on it. Let me see. Let's go to a daily. So yeah, we got this downward trend line on Bitcoin. It looks like it. So what's about to happen here is it's either about to get slapped down, or it's going to consolidate past and it's going to start making moves up. And just with the money that's about to be injected into the market, hey, I would lean towards it going up. That's how I'm looking. Thinking we still might get a rally. Let's see, Ethereum, similar scenario. No, never mind. That's not a trend line. That's a channel. All right, let's see, SoFi, Russell, BMNR. Nothing looks like, bro. What's up with the TTD right now? Jeffries maintained a hold rating on TTD. Okay, they're still not doing anything. Amazon is going for its pre-market resistance right now. Okay, new pre-market high on Amazon. Actually, yeah, new pre-market high on Amazon. Let's slide that on up. Amazon trying to push a little bit. Uber, good little run off the bottom. Oh yeah, just so y'all know, those of y'all here, today's stream is going to be a little bit later or a little bit shorter. Only going to be live like the first hour of market open today, just because I have some things I gotta do that require me being being out a little bit earlier today. Got a marathon on Sunday, so I gotta go make sure I have all that stuff squared away. Let's see. Jetty's at 26. Adobe. Hold on, I'm gonna have to get on Weeble and check out what's up because I saw this news about oh, I think the energy sector is likely to do some pumping. So let's see. Earnings. Oh, I guess the heat map won't update until the market opens, which is in 3 minutes. So I'll just wait for that. I don't see anything that just looks like kind of juicy and ready to go. I was like hoping to find something like just like primed at market open for some like real quick price action. I don't see it. All right, Robinhood is trying to go above pre-market high too. I grabbed yesterday. I grabbed like a really risky call on Robinhood, and it expires today. So like a really risky swing. Didn't pay too much for it, but now it's back at the price I grabbed it at. So if Robinhood takes off at open, I will not be mad. All right, M cents top of the morning. Let's get this bread. Amazon opening thoughts. Uh, Honestly, nothing to say about Amazon right now. Like nothing says it's going to do anything right now. But once again, we are supposed to get this money injected into bonds, which should push money over to the markets. So I think as the day goes on, or maybe kind of like it could be the front end of next week, we will start seeing a rise. Really just depends on how they want to play it. But I'm honestly not sure. You said also you care about Tilray yet? I wouldn't think so, but I can look. I definitely don't. It's not an industry. Oh dang. Okay, that's off the bottom. Oh, they did a split. Okay, I was like, whoa, but nah, they did a split. It had me thinking like, oh, okay, it's still up like 37%, but is there? Oh, hold up, market's open. All right, Amazon selling down. All right, so honestly, if there is a move of the morning, if I think there is some potential easy money, I think if SPY comes down to this 686, that might be a good like quick day trade. But beyond that, here let me add like a little alert there. Well, that's 686.50 to, yeah, we can probably ride to like 668, so like $1.50 or so. That's the only thing that seems obvious. Here, I'm gonna take this back to BBAI. All right, so we got the Russell selling off, SPY selling off. Still like scoping through. Okay, let me zoom out on Amazon. Make sure there's nothing there. All right, we got Robinhood trying to go up and do some stuff too. See. See if we can get any progress on anything. I'm gonna drop the IW. Oh, we'll drop Robinhood actually. Keep looking in this top right corner. See if there's anything that kind of like just flags as like, oh, we got some money here. But haven't Delta. My goodness. Datadog. All right, so it's looking like whatever this was over here. Not this first level I had drawn is not anything. Yeah, nothing yet. DJT. Fubo. Oh wait. Oh dang, Fubo is. Oh, shoot, it might get there at some point. Honest. Hey, honest slowly moving up. Hold on, let me check in on my honest. All right, hold on. Let's see. All right, so I can see the heat map for the day. The top industry is gold. Following that is going to be entertainment. And then autos. Semiconductors are down like 1.6. So there's not really anything that's just like killing it. Okay. Okay, honest not up that crazy. Kong, top of the morning. All right, let's keep moving. Bro, Nike been moving though. For Nike, that's good movement right there. Not on the day, just over the past week or so. Sorry, might have missed it. What are the so SoFi? Yeah, SoFi was the first thing we like looked at when you had hopped on, but SoFi was there was like nothing. SoFi is currently consolidating, so I would say like on the day. Here, I'd say next area. Let's say about like 2750 would be when I started watching. But if it can get like 2770 is going to be like I would actually probably say like 2770 because there is liquidity there. So that's the area where there is a good potential for a reversal. But if it holds above that, yo, it's probably going to push. But yeah, there's sellers at that area. So 2770 and on the lower end it's going to be about 2650 or so. Yo, they're not trying to let my Robinhood do anything. Kai Shores, top of the morning. Hey, life is good, God is good. George, top of the morning. Y'all, Constellation is moving. I'm gonna have to check in with my brother. I had like told him to get some of that. STZ. Okay. UNH. Yeah, this is not the kind of morning I wanna, not the kind of start I wanna see, but also not really killing anything. VIX still low, PCE low. I'm a low key need this gold to come down. I'm gonna need Bitcoin to go up. Yeah, I want to see Bitcoin come up, take out some highs. I think it'll be a good day. All right, so now we just chilling. How y'all doing today? What are y'all watching? What are y'all hoping for, other than a massive run on whatever your positions are? Getting a little closer on the SPY. TTD went up 40 cents. Let's see. TTD pulled down a fat amount though. Yeah, TTD is up at like 37.60. I got some. What I hope they. Let me see when they expire. I want to say the beginning of next year, but TTD is failing me right now. Let's see. I got something got my account jumping. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Yeah, I got to the second week of January, so most of the stuff I'm holding is all right, other than Hood just dying today. Murderwood, what should you buy? I'm gonna say, well, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot give out financial advice, but I would say if you are asking what you should buy, maybe some kind of course or book or something. It's like buy something that's gonna help you build the skills to buy back your time, and then I think it'll set you up like yeah, but buying like looking for quick stocks and whatnot, it's not where it's at, family. Or you're trying to like set yourself up long term, probably still like open a book in the, what is it? Learn to like value companies. Here, let's see. I'm watching Rivian. Leave me, I think I know. Here, yeah, we can check out Rivian because I did see that the automotive, wait, what's the ticker? Okay. Did see the automotive sectors. Oh, okay. Watching Rivian, I think something waiting on a retest. So if you're looking for a retest on that, I would come down to a lower time frame. 5. If you're super eager, drop to like a 1 or a 2. Yeah, here we got Rivian up on a 1 minute. We'll see how that is. Was this right at open? Yeah, this took off right at open. Okay. Rivian launched this autonomy processor chip in a paid driver assistance package. Okay. Yeah, we'll watch that. That could be something. I don't know. Tesla running up. Oh, yeah. We need to switch up the stocks. Let's see. Yeah. Hold on. I think I'm missing something. If like the EVs and stuff are running. Why? Yeah, Loose is up like 2.5% too. Okay, yeah, Tesla's up 2.5. Rivian's up the most. Thoughts on Oracle? Just bought some shares on the last dip. Let's see. All right, so it's still currently in a downward channel below the 200. I gotta say, when it comes to buying shares, it's a good time for it. Yeah, it's still in the downward channel. Right now, there appears to be support kind of at this like 180, like 190, 185 level. But yeah, it seems like a good time to pick it up for the long term. Descurve top of the morning. Tesla, Netflix. Here, let's see Netflix. I still don't trust the Netflix, but it's a good little buy. Okay, it's above the 13 EMA on the 4 hour. That's something right there. Hold on, let me check news because I'm uninformed right now. What is news? See something about Tilray. Yeah, why are the hold on. Let's check Tesla real quick. Yeah, I don't even necessarily see any like just is Tesla just doing well because Lucid's doing well? Or not Lucid, Rivian? You said when do I cut my losses? When I think my when I think my chances of success are done. So it's like I think I have actually not exactly the same. I think I have a further strike, further out of the money strike. I still have that same Rivian contract. Not Rivian, I still have that same TTD contract. Let me see. So it's going to be chart based for me. back out more. Probably weekly. All right, so look right here. Oh wait, I have some. Hold on, let me get rid of that. I went back too far. So look right here. Yeah, I would need confirmation below. So I would have to think that this I either wait till it expires and I'm like, oh yeah, there's no chance, or I wait for confirmation. Just because the entry I saw, it was based on a higher time frame. It's like ideally I would have got like 6 months or so, but I kind of like chanced it because we tend to run kind of coming into the beginning of the year or like after the year is over. So I am currently on a lot of the positions that I'm down on, kind of counting on the like coming into the new year. We have tax loss harvesting, which is where stocks that are down kind of get pushed down more. And then also, like as we start to come into the new year, those stocks will get bought back up. So with something like that, if I don't get like confirmation below, I'm gonna kind of wait and see for that to play out. New legislation on pot in the U.S. Yeah, that's probably why what was it? Tilray was popping. Yeah, it's popping. It's like something like this. If it's strong enough, I would have to grab a pullback, but it's something to go for. He said Disney's on one today. Let's see. That it is. Oh, they had the OpenAI deal. I was like, yo, didn't they just pop from something else? It's probably continuation of that. Yeah, let's see. So health is up 1.5, entertainment's up 1.5. Autos are here. Let's see what's killing it. So Rivian's up 13. Hold up, Polestar. Check out Polestar. I thought they were like going. Oh no, that's the wrong company. But yeah, Polestar's up 11%. Still don't see good reason. Yeah, SPY is dropping. So earlier on the stream, I said easy play on a day. Looks like if SPY comes to this liquidity right here at I guess like 186.54. I feel like that's riding that to like 688. That's kind of one to go for. So yeah, should we hit that? That'll probably be like that'll probably be my fun for the day. Let me try to go for it. Or let me get that going. It wouldn't be one that I like shared though. Here, let's see. SPY. Yeah, it still needs to fall like an extra dollar, but Well, contracts aren't that pricey today, so that's cool. That's cool. Might be able to get something a little closer to the money. Just it's moving faster than I would have thought. Okay, you know what? Might get ready for it. And it's a 0 DTE, so I wouldn't be able to share this in the WAP. But it's okay. Yeah, I was like, yo, why are the contracts getting more expensive? It's moving back up. Robinhood is hurting my feelings right now. Oh, also, while we are here on stream, I would just like to share that I now have a trading Instagram. If you would like to see those trading nuggets, sometimes it might be trading wisdom, sometimes it might be trading philosophy, sometimes it's just like, yo, trade breakdowns. Yo, check out that check out the link that I just dropped in the chat. It's pinned comment. It's like I don't like posting trading stuff on my regular Instagram because I feel like I'm making like other people feel less than. I don't like to do that. All right, so Rivian looks like he's trying to go for some more. All right, Robinhood trying to move up. Like to see it do some more. See my contract come back to life. I like to see the SPY pull down a little bit, just like even if it's a quick, like real fast pullback. All right, Polestar going too. Some of these trades that look like they're worth the ride, I can't even sit here and ride them out today. So I gotta like roll in about 30 minutes or so, 35 minutes. 12th like on the latest IG post. I don't even be looking at the likes. Let me see. Oh shoot, appreciate that. Oh, I see M-Sense in the mix. Did you do it on two accounts, M-Sense? Was that like two different accounts? Or was that somebody else? Because it's like that another account just followed me. I'm like, yo, that seems like an M-Sense account. All right, I see 687 call for tomorrow. Don't look too bad. I would say that call. Oh, you said for tomorrow or I guess for Monday. Let's see. Oh, that's more than I would want to pay. But if it pulls back, to this level, it's like that doesn't look too bad. Honestly, if we pull back here, I'm not even trying to like ride full range. Just like ideally, I was looking at like just like a little. Hey, let's see. Was that what I was looking at? I'm on the 15 now. I think I was looking to about like 688 or so. So just yeah, just like a dollar, just like a little almost $1.50 move. Nothing crazy. It'd just be some quick lunch money. Let's see. Hi, I cannot trade SPY options on Robinhood. It's always freezing and closed out. That's so weird. That is so weird. I'm gonna be real. Robinhood does like do the freezing and app close thing, but I think it's weird that I feel like it's mostly like within the first like 5 minutes or so of market open that happens. But yeah, I don't know what to say about that. I'm gonna be real. Like Robinhood is definitely like not the best when it comes to options, but it's weird that that just happens with the SPY. You said just my thing. Also, I probably did. Hey, top of the morning, Yoko. Follow links in one. Oh, okay. I got you. I got you. I was like, what? All right. So, market's been open like 28 minutes. We got some. We got the autos taking off. We got some MJ stocks taking off, and then yeah, it's crazy because SPY has the most volume. Maybe that has something to do with it. Maybe they're like, yo, this stock has too much volume for Moot One to trade. We don't want him trading all this volume. All the SPY, the Qs, and the IWM are down on the day. Dixie is still up slightly. VIX is up slightly. PCE is low though. It's like the market itself, like the outlook for the market is pretty bullish. We just may not be getting it today, but we also still might. They might try to do something later in the day. Let's see. When is all this money getting injected in? Am I able to watch the here? Let me see something. Tesla highest in about a month. Let's see. Yeah, I ran up to 463. I'm trying to see these bond yields go down. All right, we got Robinhood selling off. I did not get enough time on that one. Wow, I'm really figuring this out. Problem is hopping in with confidence instead of watching the stock move without me. Could have been finished trading had I grabbed Nvidia or Rivian sooner than later. I'm gonna be. It's hard at market open. It's like honestly anything can happen. It's like a lot of times you'll see a spike up and then it'll turn around. So it's like I do not blame you. 25 stop loss in jeopardy. Are you in the red now? Got my 800. Hey, nice, nice. Got your 800 for the day. Nice. Yeah, Tesla took off. Oh, the spy still coming down. That's a good look right there. All right, let's see. Got out at 458 though. Hey, honestly, that's probably where I would have got out. Look, so you got it ran. You kind of came up, pulled back. Like this is like slight consolidation here. It lost momentum, so this push up wouldn't have been as strong. I don't know how much time you had on it, but in my eyes, that's a good spot to get out. All right, hold up. Spy about to looks like I might get a chance at something quick on the day. Let's see. Where's the spy? It's about to take that entry though. Spy. Let's see what I like. All right. I'm going for a 688 call. All right, I'm in at 70 cents a share. Ideally, we'll see. We'll see. We'll watch it. Shoot, I'm gonna watch it on the 2 minute. Why is this on the 15? There we go. See if we can get those to change a little bit. Slide that up just a little bit. There we go. No green, but less confidence on holding. Hey, Layden Thomason. Hey, top of the morning. Say ETH looks good. Yeah, I want ETH to blast up. Bitcoin and Ethereum. We need them to blast on up. Yeah, there's some support there. Looking at it, if you catch that 31.50 or so, that might be even better. Might have got in too early on that SPY call. We'll see. See how long they take it. It's a good level to buy though. We're right here at support, pre-market support. If we get, oh look, if we get confirmation below here, then I might just have to. Oh yeah, we also got this 200 EMA. We're good. We're good. Yeah, I grabbed the 0 DTE because I got rolling like 23 minutes. So I'm not trying to like get anything long. I already have like positions with a few weeks time on them. It's like if we're not going to show up today, we're not going to show up today. I don't want to risk anything too crazy. I'm just trying to play with what seems like it should be making things happen. Let's see. Let me check the dollar. Still pushing up. I'm down like 15%. All right. Oh, it's holding up a little better now. It doesn't even look like the stock's moving. It's just options pricing. Oh no. See how this candle closes on the 15. Volume's like so low too. No, they're really trying to sell this down. I could have got this contract $18 cheaper. What's my strike like 688? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to ride to too. Okay, that's what we want to see. Looking like it's a sweep of liquidity, but we'll see if it proceeds. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay, looking better. Looking better. Let's see how we're doing on the contract. All right, went from down like 25 to down 10. Oh, come on. Push it on up, mate. I would like some money for lunch today. Down 11 on the SPY. Yeah, I'm down like 15. See the PCE rising a little bit. The VIX is rising too. Gold and silver. Gold is like really up there. Hold up. Gold's like $3 away from all-time highs. Bro, what is this? Why are we still? Hold on. All right, so 4-hour CMG shows big gap fill. However, volume seems low. I'm gonna say wait, you said gap fill. Oh. So what I would say about this is I would want confirmation. I want to see where this candle closes. You still got an hour, 45 minutes on this candle. So it's like I would like to wait for that. Also see that it is overbought, but let's see. Yeah, it's like it has potential, but just I would say this is just early. Let's zoom out to a higher time frame. Yeah, I would even on the daily I would like to see where it closed. Looking at the weekly, there's looks like some resistance at the 36.46. But yeah, it's like I would want to see how this next couple hours goes. All right. So that first candle closed there on the SPY. And this is going to be the final candle. Also final candle of the day, but yeah, if this lives completely down here and does not come back in contact with this 686.50 line, yeah, that's that. That's taking the L. But this candle's our last hope. Watching Bank of America. I'm not watching Bank of America. That's not one I look at. Is there a certain reason that you're watching it? It's like I can look at the chart, but that's not really a stock that I follow too closely. Yo, SPY makes like it's still trying to drop. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut out the SPY because it's still going. It's not like it's making equal lows. It's still trying to move down. So yo, I'm out at 47 cents per share. Yeah, that's it right there. That's it. Yeah, just because I'm low on time. So it took like a 24-cent L. That's that's kind of it. I'm gonna still watch it though. See what confirmation would have been like, or see if it does confirm. I don't want to take my chances with that. You can go up to a 30. There's more support around this 684.70. Simpsons, did you type that yourself or did it correct you? Did it say, "Oh no, we're not having that on this platform," or did you throw the symbols in yourself? Okay, I see a little hiking ashy candle, like trying to show green. Said, can I ask what percent return it was on the oh, okay. What percent return it was on that what was it? On the Tesla trade? Wow, this stream feels like ultra short. Oh, I got like 12 more minutes to give before I gotta roll. All right, worth reading. Hold up. Let me check in on some other stocks. I don't know when they're. Oh wait, hold up. I just thought about it. Today, it's a triple witching. I thought that's usually on like the third week of them. Here, let's see. I was unaware of that. Yeah, all this moving got me all kinds of messed up. Still inspire raising your stop loss gradually. It could do something. It's just like, okay, all right. I was like, honestly, I looked out for something like that because I didn't see any significant factors for today. But I was like, are they gonna pull like any tricks or anything? I didn't see anything that just made any tricks obvious today. I didn't see any like real data or anything. I think I looked at the fear and greed. It was at like 50. I guess it's at 48 or 47 now. Still rate cut odds, same rate cut odds. Let's look at some things. Well, did they updated their website? It looks a different color now. Light mode. Okay. I think I like dark mode. Let's bring it back to dark mode. But that's cool that that's an option. Okay. All right. Yeah, the spy's still trying to roll down. check back. Oh, we got Tesla over here. Take that back to a 4 hour. Okay, yo, all right. So looking at Tesla on the 4 hour, I want y'all to look. So we had this trend line on Tesla, right? And I want y'all to notice where it is, or notice what happened. So this morning, if we come to a lower time frame, kind of like push out, and actually on the 1 hour, it's like came out, kind of selling back off, and it's like, oh, I would look out here for, oh, is it going to bounce? Is it a break and retest? But when you look on the 4 hour, it looks like, oh, right now it's still creating the liquidity and it's not really going to go anywhere. So that's just how it's looking. What does it mean on Robinhood when it says it's pending after you buy Netflix at $9.29 and it shot up but stays pending? But still says, okay, so yeah, so if you put in a limit order, and if it was a limit order and not a market order, then yeah, the price moved up too fast and the price has not come back down. So if you like go back and look at your order, you should see the price that the order is for. If Netflix opened and it was above that price, then your order is not going to get filled until that price till it returns to that price. All right, so yeah, I don't think that SPY trade is going to play out. It's looking like it could, like that, like if someone was trying to be risky and right at the end of the day, it's like, yeah, there's possibility for that, but just looking at like how things are looking today, it does not look like that. Dang. Okay, hold up. All right, so they're trying to bring it down. What is this? Oh, we got some more liquidity down here at 682.46. That might be another oh wait, there's some over at 684 or so. But that's kind of wild. Yeah, so next area of interest is falling so far. Next area of interest is going to be 684.11. And good morning, good morning. I just want to give you a heads up. I'm about to roll out of here in a couple minutes, but happy I got to see your name. Move QQQ triple bottom on a 15. Let's see. Let's go to the 15. One touch. We got another kind of liquidity move. It's looking like it's trying to like go for it. This might be a sweep though. Let me go up to a 1 hour. Yeah, I would look back to this over here. This looks like there's been liquidity built here. Like you got 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th time. So I would say at this level, you are either likely to get a solid bounce here or a solid move up here. But like I would say from this point where it's at, it would be a good point to actually make some kind of move. But to see which direction, it's like you kind of want to see what's going on. Like it's looking like the move might be a reversal, but it might also be early. Dorothy, top of the morning. Hey, peace out, D Skirt. Yeah, I still got a couple minutes. I'm gonna try to see what's up here because I know I'm gonna be on the road. I'm gonna be like, yo, what's going on with the stocks? So try to soak up as much as I can, but I don't know. Yo, we might keep selling off. Take that back to a 15. Yeah, we're selling off. Doesn't even make sense to me. But we got okay. Silver is down on the day now. Oh, hold up, Bitcoin. Yo, Bitcoin sold off pretty heavy from the range it was in too. I mean, it's not a lot for Bitcoin, but that's pretty heavy for like it was like chilling around like yo. Did I say good morning, Dorothy? If I didn't, good morning. All right, so SPY crossed that. Yeah, we're selling off. The SPY makes me want to believe like this might be it, but also that 682. Yeah, we're selling off right now. Gold is coming back down. Gold was up at like 400. Now it's already back down to like 395. But you got gold coming down. You got silver coming down. You got the dollar slightly up. You got the VIX rising. I would think the PCE is going to rise as well. All right, family. So I'm gonna wrap up here. I gotta go get this stuff for my marathon on Sunday, and it's a little bit of a journey. So with that being said, family, as well as I got some moving to do tomorrow too. So with that being said, family, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for rolling through. Um, this is a very interesting time for the market to kind of be doing what it's doing. But yeah, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. All right, peace out. M says, peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Map 804. Peace out, Ann. Peace out, Moot 1. Peace out, Dorothy. Peace out, Dominique. And yeah, peace out, Edwards. But yeah, that's going to do it for the day, family. Love y'all. Peace out.